Hey everyone, how's it going? If you've been dealing with foot pain, burning, tingling, or even numbness, and nothing seems to really help, then you need to hear about Emsense. This simple at-home foot massager has been blowing up lately because of how well it relieves neuropathy and circulation issues without drugs or expensive treatments. Before we get into it, quick warning, Emsense is only sold through the official website. There are fake versions out there that don't use the same heat and compression technology. So if you want the real one that actually works, I'll leave the official link in the description and in the first comment below. Alright, so what exactly is Emsense? It's a triple therapy foot massager that combines heat, massage, and gentle compression to help improve blood flow and relieve nerve pain. Basically, it gives your feet the oxygen and circulation they need to recover right at home. Here's how it works. The heat warms your feet and boosts circulation. The massage function stimulates the nerves and muscles, helping blood reach the areas that usually feel numb or tingly. And the compression adds light pressure, which helps relieve tension and pain. Together, these three therapies wake your nerves back up and bring real comfort, all while you sit back and relax. You just slip it on, choose your settings, and let it do its thing. It's 100% drug-free, safe for daily use, and takes just a few minutes a day to feel the difference. I like that it's easy to use while watching TV, reading, or even working from home. Thousands of people swear by it. One woman said her neuropathy used to keep her up every night, but after a week with Emsense, she finally started sleeping again. Another said she uses it every morning because it warms up her cold feet and helps her start her day feeling energized. And one guy mentioned it's now his go-to after standing all day at work because it instantly takes the ache away. What's really impressive is that it's recommended by podiatrists and backed by real science. Studies show that combining heat, massage, and compression can help restore circulation and nerve function, and that's exactly what Emsense does. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If it doesn't help you, you get a full refund. And shipping's free too. So yeah, if you're tired of relying on painkillers or dealing with that burning and tingling feeling every night, Emsense is absolutely worth trying. It's simple, comfortable, and made to help your nerves heal, not just mask the pain. Just make sure to order from the official website linked below so you get the real product with full warranty and support. And hey, if you've already tried Emsense or you're curious about how it feels, drop your question in the comments. I always reply. If this video helped you out, give it a like and share it with someone who's been struggling with foot pain. They'll thank you later.